Hi. Do you want to make word-by-word subtitles, as used in shorts?
What do you think about this one? It's called Starry Night by Vincent van Gogh.
Just to be honest, I don't like that one.
Why not?
Well, now you can, using free open-source software. You will need Buzz and Subtitle Edit. Search for Buzz Transcription GitHub. Under Releases, select the latest version. Download and install the Windows version. Next, to download Subtitle Edit on Google, search for Subtitle Edit Nix. Click here. Then download and install. Alright, let's begin. Let's open Buzz. When starting it for the first time, we have to install Model. Click on Help, select Preferences. Under Models, for this demo, I choose Fast Whisper, Tiny. Since I already downloaded. Let's move on. Next, there are two ways to add audio. You can directly record your speech using your microphone or import a recorded audio file. Here, we're going to import an audio file by clicking on the plus icon, or under File menu. Select the model that you installed, then check on word level timings and then check Export SRT. Next, open Subtitle Editor. Import SRT file. Then change format to Advanced Substation Alpha. Like this. Now you can create your own font style, even can change the position of the subtitle. I already created my style for shorts. Here's how you do it. This is meant for changing fonts size, type whether you want bold, italic or strike through. For position, I want it to be below but little bit closer to center. So in order to do that, let the alignment be at the bottom, otherwise vertical margin won't work. Next, and add it to current file. And click Apply. And you're done. Then click on First Subtitle. Scroll down to the bottom. Hold Shift and click. This time right-click and change Style to For Shorts. And you're done. You can find more in-depth tutorials on the David Bogawa channel, where he made tons of tutorials regarding the ASS file format. Also review and make changes in spelling and timing if required.
Most people don't know this, but this is actually how a long time, and just learning that discipline.
Next, in order to burn subtitles to the video, click on Video, and then click on Generate Video with Burned in Subtitles. A window will pop up. Since it's an ASS file format, you only need to click on Generate. And you are done. Let's check it out.
Most people don't know this, but this is actually how Property Plus got started. My name's Nick Connor. I am the owner of Property Plus. I started out as a janitor. I was helping my dad clean commercial buildings for a long time, and just learning that discipline of learning how to do the little things has led to where I am today.
If this tutorial really helped you in making better videos, be sure to like and subscribe. Also comment for the next video idea that is done on commercial software. I will try to find an open source version for it. Thank you and goodbye.